How's it, guys? Another short clip trying to share my knowledge on clutch cables. So, from my past experience having owning like about seven Golf ones so far, I've noticed that if you have a clutch problem where your clutch is feeling too hard or too stiff or it's making crackling sounds and stuff, and let's just say that your clutch and pressure plate is fine, but you just cannot get it to work. So you come to the conclusion that your clutch cable is faulty, and you want to buy a new one and replace it. So you go to the spare shop, you ask them for a Golf One clutch cable, they give it to you, and it measures correctly and stuff. You try to install it in your vehicle, and afterwards you cannot get the correct adjustment. You're trying to adjust it, and it's just feeling like there's not enough adjustment left. The pedal is going to the floor, the pedal is coming too high, and then you physically compare both cables together, and it looks correct on the outside, the housing is correct, but the cable itself inside is not correct. So I realized that 90% of spare shops, like your local spare shop, will sell you the incorrect cable. They don't even know that it's incorrect, and yeah, it's just manufactured that way. So I would suggest buy a cable from Goldwagon, because if you're buying from Goldwagon, the cable size is correct. So you just buy it, either one of the short or long clutch cable, for depends on your model of your vehicle. But as soon as you fit it in, it'll work perfectly one shot. No fancy adjustment. You don't have to put any spacer and stuff like that. So yeah, that was a quick tip. Like and subscribe for more VW knowledge and content.